Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing the Photo Scanner app by Photomyne. This app is available on the App Store and on Google Play and is free to use. So let's start it. Of course, the first thing that you get when you open it is an upsell trying to sell you the subscription for the full package. This is a subscription, meaning that if you buy it, it will renew every year. It is $45 on iOS. But I will not buy this. You also have a 3 days trial that you can use to test all their features. But let's concentrate on the free version for now. So this app, as the name implies, is a photo scanner, photo editor. You can take pictures from your device's camera or from your gallery. So if I go in this album here, you can see that I have some pictures already taken. So I can already manage them, meaning I can edit, reorder, move, or delete them. If I edit here, you can see, add a description, add a date, you can add the location where these pictures were taken, or people's name. So it is a good way to classify your pictures. You can move them around, so from one album to another. Reorder inside the folder. So if I just pick one at a time, reorder, I can just move them like this. I can add, obviously. Whoops, that isn't what I want to do. So yeah, add pictures and share. This is available for sharing pretty much on everything you want. You can go by email, printing them, or more options, which will bring the menu for sharing on social media. And you can see that sharing options are currently locked, so I need to actually get a subscription to share my pictures, which I will not do at this stage. So when you add the pictures, you can see here, you can try with camera. That's actually pretty fun. It's like Inception. And yeah, so you can pick from your camera or import from your photo albums. For the sake of this recording, let's go with camera. That's gonna be awkward. I'm gonna demonstrate better pictures after. I have to hold the button for 3 seconds, and it's saying okay, now it's still, and it is cropping the pictures. So that's one thing you will notice, is that everything gets cropped automatically when you start. So I will be done here, and that is a good and a bad thing. So let's try with something a little bit more picture-ish like. So I will add, and let's take this poster here that I have on my wall. I take the pictures. You can see it is scanning to crop it, but it's already applying a scan, which not a scan, a filter, which is kind of a bummer. So if I'm done here, photos are saved. Now if I go on the pictures, you can see here I have various options to edit the picture. I can rotate in every directions. I can crop it any way I want, so bigger. And this cropper shows me the original pictures that I cropped from there. Then all the pictures. By default, it seems to be going to the restore filter, as you can see at the bottom. This would be the original. And then you have other filter, restore plus, enhanced, dynamic, cool, warm, contrast, and obviously black and white. So you can apply any filter you want. We'll go with black and white here. I have other options. I can obviously save this picture, colorize it, tag people again, and again, I cannot save it without a subscription. So I will go back. Oops. If I apply, let's say, original filter. Now it's good. I can go back and here I can tag people. Again, I cannot save. If I crop it here like this and I go back, at least it stays in here. The save option is mainly for saving it in your personal photo gallery. What else can we do? If we go back, of course, you can create new albums. You can search between all your pictures, create an account, that's obvious. And all the settings are available if you want to look at what's available and see automatic photo filter on. I could turn this off if I wanted to. But I will not. Actually, yes, I will. I want to see what it will do. So let's try with no filter apply, see what happens. And you can see it is scanning. And this time, no filter was applied. So that's a good thing. But by default, when you install this app, you will see that filters are applied by default. Now, one of the big bummer, I will say, personally, is that it will scan the pictures that it sees and it will save them here in your album, but it will not ask you, do you want to have them saved as is or as one single picture. For example, I will remove a few pictures from here and let me show you what I mean. So again, with those posters that you already saw, if I take a pictures like this with those 4 posters, you can see that it's scanning and saving them as 4 different pictures automatically, which is not something that I necessarily want. I would prefer to have the options to say yes, put it as 4 pictures, or no, I just want one single picture. Here, let me show you another example where it is a little bit strange. If I take a picture of this book here, Japanese book actually, and you can see that here it's splitting the book in 2 images, which is actually pretty bad. Of course, you have the options to go back and fetch the original picture. If I take this one here and select the cropper, you can see the whole image here is there, and I can, just recrop it to get the whole book. But again, that's really not practical. And that summarizes pretty much the functions that you get if you want to stick with the free version of this app. You can see here in the options, edit original scan shots. This is where you will find all your pictures that you've taken, the original ones, and you can recrop them if you want. So that's it for this review of Photo Scanner app by Photomyne. Personally, this is not something I would use. I think that you can get as good, if not better, result already with the cropper that is in your device. In the iPhone, in the photo gallery of Android devices, there's already a picture cropper, and You can already apply filters if you want. Or even the basic Photoshop app does pretty much those same functions and is more practical to use. But it's up to you. You can try it. There are more functions that you can get for a subscription price of $45 a year. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.